Okay, so I have the Samsung Touch refrigerator with the screen, and this last update to it, it took a couple days, but now the screen does not respond to any touches, nothing. So I was looking for some Samsung help. I didn't know if I need to pull the refrigerator out, unplug it, reboot it, what. So I found, they said that there's a red button on top of the fridge to flip the switch and try that. I don't know if it's like a reboot for the screen. So I'm looking everywhere for this button, for the switch, and it's not anywhere on the left side. This is a smart home port. So over in the right door, there's this little panel that says push. I wouldn't have seen this from the floor, but push it up and voila, there's the red button. So I'm gonna flip the switch and see if this works. Let's shut the door and see if the screen, the screen is off. I don't know how long I should wait. It's just a power on off switch for the screen. There is a USB port. Must be to upload pictures. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the switch back and let's see. Come on, reboot. Yay. So let's cross our fingers that that was an easy fix and the touchscreen will work. The date and the time's correct. Yay! It worked. My screen's been off for 2 days, so let's see if my shopping list, yep, still there. Perfect. Okay, we fixed our touchscreen on the same concept fridge.